Give me the codes to Omega Supreme, or she dies.
If he gets the codes, the cons will have an unstoppable army.
I can't just leave you here!
It's been an honor, sir.
RC!
What is it with you Autobots needlessly sacrificing yourselves?
We do it for a better tomorrow.
Go on without me, Doc. I'm not leaving you here to die! Listen to me, Ratchet. Fighters, we have. Doctors, we don't. Till all are one. Till all are one. Come and get me, slag lickers!
Ratchet, where's Ironhide and the others?
Ironhide was holding the cons off, allowing me to escape. But if we hurry, we can save him.
Ratchet, the mine is set to blow at any minute.
Decepticons, advance.
Never thought it'd come to this. But if the cons get a hold of the Energon, we don't stand a chance. I hope you made it out, Doc. Ironhide!
There's nothing more we can do.
What are you waiting for? Finish me.
Killing is too good for you, Megatron.
It's a shame, Optimus. You would have made a fine Decepticon.
I chose my side.
Then farewell.
Bumblebee!
You're wasting your time, medic.
You left me no choice, brother.
My Primus. Will these dreams ever cease?
Maybe if you saved us.
How are you alive?
We're just your conscience, Doc.
Primus, please! Make it stop!
Ratchet, are you alright?
Yes. Just a bad dream.
I'm no psychologist, but I can tell something's wrong.
Ever since the defeat of Megatron, I've been having these dreams where I relive these moments I failed to save my closest friends.
It sounds like the war kept your mind occupied for a while. And now, since the fighting is done on both ends, that guilt you kept suppressed, it's coming back.
I should have done more to save them.
Ratchet, you did all you could in those circumstances.
Yes, Ultra Magnus. On my way, sir.
Are you gonna be okay?
Yes. I'll see you later.
Take care, old friend.
Every day, I keep asking myself, why did they have to die? Why not me? You wanted to see me, sir?
I want you to accompany Drift and Cliffjumper on a supply mission.
Are you sure that I'm needed?
I figured you might like a change of scenery. Something fresh. A change of pace.
Thank you, sir.
Are you sure he'll be fine, sir?
It's just a simple supply run.
What about the reports of con activity?
If the reports are true, then Drift and Cliffjumper will be adequate.
I hope you're right, sir.
So let it be done.
So, what does His Royal Highness want now?
We are to go on another raid.
How many more must we do before he's finally satisfied?
Until he has a sufficient supply to put his plan into effect.
As long as I can snuff the sparks of Autobots, I'm happy.
Someone has to keep him from being happy with his trigger finger.
Then let us go, my brothers.
Thanks again for the supplies.
No problem, mate. Happy to oblige.
What's wrong, Drift?
Something does not feel right.
Are you sensing something?
Why do the cons keep attacking this outpost?
They must be stationed somewhere close by.
Sounds like we need to go on a little hunt.
Should we call Ultra Magnus for backup?
Don't worry, mate. We'll be fine.
You look troubled.
I'm fine.
Well, what's his problem?
We all have our inner demons we face inside.
Sounds like you both need the bloody Winchesters.
Slugslinger, we will distract them while you sneak inside.
Don't have too much fun without me.
Oh, would you look at that? More Autobots for me to slaughter.
Sir, the cons are back!
Don't worry, mate. This time you have us to back you up. Quit your cringe cackling, you filthy wombat.
An Autobot with a bark.
How about I show you my bite?
Stop fooling around.
Now tell me, what do you truly desire?
Your head.
Drift, what's wrong with Ratchet?
He's seeing ghosts.
We're gonna be ghosts if he doesn't snap out of it. Ratchet, don't make me get the salt. Ah!
Cliffjumper!
Ratchet, how about a little help?
Drift. I can't do it.
Yes, you can.
Drift. I couldn't save him. I failed everyone.
The only person you are failing is yourself.
Ironhide and RC were left to die, and Bowley's life slipped through my servos as I watched the light leave his optics.
Ratchet, you did your best. That's all anyone could ask for. But now Cliffjumper needs your best, and he will die, just like the others, if you do not get your head back in the game.
Cliff needs your help, Doc. You're the only one who can save him.
Keep me covered.
That's the Ratchet I remember.
Hurry up, so we can get out of here.
The party's just beginning.
Allow me to thank our traitorous host for his hospitality.
Ow, that hurts.
I'm surprised no one's shot your mouth yet.
Just give it time, Doc. Somebody will.
Now, I need to get you inside and contact Ultra Magnus for evac.
Oh, I don't think so, Doctor.
You should have aimed for the head.
A mistake. I will not make again.
Go on, Deadlock. Finish it.
My name is Drift.
Some things never change.
I surrender.
With the capture of Cyclonus, we are closer to putting an end to the Decepticons left on Earth.
We couldn't have done it without Ratchet.
Well, if it wasn't for Drift talking to me, we wouldn't have made it.
I owed you one.
Don't forget about that gnarly right hook you gave Trigger Happy.
Which is why I decided I'm taking Ratchet off active duty and placing him in charge of overseeing our future medical officers.
I would be passing my knowledge onto future generations?
You've fought in this war too long, old friend. It's time you enjoyed the freedom you fought for.
Thank you, sir.
Dismissed.
Sir, what does the capture of Cyclonus really mean?
Unfortunately, Jetfire, it means our darkest hour is coming.
Ha 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 ha